Hey guys, I just wanted to tell you I'm excited about this and I hope this helps you. I'm going to do kind of a step-by-step walking through the basic audition piece, and then I'm going to do it with music up to speed so you guys have a chance to see it both ways. All right, so the first step I'm going to teach you is a jazz square. We're going to start with the right and make a box, and we're going to hold each step for 2 counts. So it's going to be 1, 2, cross 3, 4, back 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're going to do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next thing you're going to do is what's called a shuffle, which is a tap step. And there is a lot of tapping in this, so I'm starting with a basic tap step. The shuffle is literally the toe of your shoe, soft shoe. You don't have to have tap shoes, just anything that's smooth and makes rhythm. So it's going to be the toe, and you're going to go shuffle. So it makes the sound that the word is. So I'm going to turn so you can see that. It goes shuffle. So it's literally just the toe of your shoe. So you're going to go shuffle, ball, change, shuffle, hop, step. And that'll shift your weight to do it on the left. Shuffle, ball, change, shuffle, hop, step. And I'm going to do it to the side so you can see what my foot in the back is doing. So it's shuffle, ball, change. Notice I didn't put my weight down all the way. Shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, ball, change, shuffle, hop, step. So that's 2 8 counts also. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now for the next one, you're going to stay on the balls of your feet, and you're going to walk forward 2, and then you're going to pivot really fast, and then you're going to walk back, and you're going to pivot again. So make sure you stay on the balls of your feet. So I'm going to go to the side so you can see my feet. I'm keeping my weight on the balls of my feet, so you're staying on the balls of your feet the whole time. So it's going to step forward 2 and then pivot. So 1 with your right, 2, pivot, 3, 4. You might want to keep your hands low or balance somewhere out to balance you. And then you're going to step 5, 6. You're going to do the same thing. Pivot, 7, 8. So that pivot needs to be fast, so it's going to be kind of a pivot and hold. So I'll do it facing forward so you can see the progression of it, just like everything else. So it'll be 1, 2, pivot, 3, 4, 1, 2, pivot, 3, 4. All right, now you're going to be kind of taking side steps and then creating like a clock face almost. So you're going to step to the right. So it'll go 1, together, that's 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to do your clock face. So it'll be 5, 6, 7, together. I'll do that again. So it's going to be to the right, 1, together, 3, together, 5, 6, 7, together. Then you're going to do it to the left. So you'll step 1, together, 3, together, 5, 6, 7, together. So all of that together will look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the last one, you're just going to kind of rock in place, making sure that your hips are pushing out because that'll give your body more movement. So you're going to go to the right. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're just kind of rocking back and forth, shifting your weight. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to glide to the right. 5, 6. And then 7, 8, you're closing and going 7, 8, hitting your thighs, right? So it'll look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.